Alright, so today I'm in the shed working on the camper trailer while the ute gets some work done to it. I've got a mate up at Crawl Customs that's here in town, and he's fitting a stainless steel water tank for me under the tray. So she's up there, and I thought what a better time to bring the camper in and check the wheel bearings. I haven't checked it since we bought it. Done probably 2.5, maybe 3,000 Ks on it. So I thought, fuck it, I'll pull the bearings out and have a look and repack them, put it back in, and get it sorted. We're planning a trip in April to go to Fraser, so that should be good. I'll try and film as much as I can with that and get a video up for everybody. But yeah, just trying to do a bit of maintenance on it. So it was a last minute thing. I've already started and pulled it apart, so I've half cleaned that up and I've pulled the drum off, and I just had to nip down to Taylor's and get some new bearings for it, because the bearings that are in it are Chinese and I'm not a big fan of them. I like the Japanese stuff, so I thought I'll replace it and just keep the good Chinese ones for a spare set in case we ever need to replace one or something. But yeah, so I've already got it half pulled apart, and I'll just do a bit of a video of it getting cleaned up, bearings packed and put back together basically.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
Now when you're packing wheel bearings by hand like that, it's very recommended to wear gloves, or else you can actually push the grease into your skin, and then of course your body absorbs it, and that's not real good. So remember, always wear gloves when you're hand packing bearings.
I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You have the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be.
there we have it, back on. Now, I always check my wheel nuts with the torque wrench, but torque wrench is in the ute, so I'll double check them when I get it back and make sure they're tight, but always check them by hand and always do them up in a star pattern to start with. That way you make sure you've got the wheel going evenly. But yeah, as for these, I'll probably tighten them to about 110, 120 Newton meters. That's usually what alloys are for. The shop that sold it to us, Austrack, they reckon they torqued them to 140, but I feel like that's too much and you're probably going to risk breaking something. But yeah, I check my wheel nuts nearly every time before a trip, so I'm pretty anal about all that, so it should be all good. But yeah, there you have it. I've done one side, now I've got to do the other, but you guys won't get to see that. It's just exactly the same as this side. Alright, take care, see you in the next one.